Okay, everybody, this is 3 hours from the first video that I've done. So yes, we are having a good snowfall. I would say probably, maybe 3 inches now. So just to let you guys know, on that first video, I just wanted to try the slow motion thing on there. It looked like a screensaver. But now, yeah, we're getting some snow. So there it is, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Snowstorm in Smyrna, January 22nd, 2016. And I did remember to say 2016. Alrighty, there you go. See you later. Bye.